Alright, so this is just showing you a tool path, what it's going to cut out. Now I think this is going to take a little bit of while, but we'll try to time lapse it or do as much as we can, but it's only there just to demonstrate what the machine is can do and to show you everything is all stable and working with the MASSO controller. Now we've put it on a nice little stand. There's about 3 or so meters that you can move it around, so you can move this quite freely and drag it wherever you like. Alright, let's start this video. Let's start this cut and see how we go. Alright, so I'm just gonna stop it right there. And we can have a quick look to see how it's turned out. Now, mind the dust, but the dust shoe will get that. That looks really nice and smooth to me. Feels really smooth as well. Well, there you go. If you guys have any more questions or want to see something or want to come down and demo the machine with the MASSO controller, please feel free, give us a call on the 1300 number or contact us online, and yeah, we'll get back to you as soon as we can.